you are ready to go with your project recording. You are going to be on your screen with your project, whether it be this project, the Tech versus Man, or another one that I have you working on. You're going to be doing the exact same thing. All right, so I want you to have that brought up on the screen, and then you are going to click this little arrow for Screencastify. Once you click that, you're going to see your options here. Now remember, this only gives you a 5-minute limit for the free version that we're going to be using. All right, I suggest that you check your microphone and make sure you can be heard. And in the Newsom Nest Lab, you will not be able to use a webcam unless you are using a Chromebook from next door. So you will obviously turn the webcam off. All right, when you are ready to go, you are going to hit this record button and you are going to have to choose the area that you want to video, and you're going to hit share. It will count you down. All right, once it counts you down, you are going to hit this present button right here. And then you will just start presenting your project. All right, I want you to make sure that you are not reading every slide. So you would just say, hey, y'all, my name is Kian Downey, and I am going to be telling you guys a little bit about the awesome and the awful of tech. So then you're going to go to your next slide. And then as you go to each one of those slides, I want you to make sure that you are not just blatantly reading them. You are going off of your script. All right, so there are some really awesome things about tech that I've experienced and that I've also researched, such as we are able to use robots to rescue people after natural disasters. And I've even seen it able to help out family members, such as a grandparent being able to connect to a grandchild that is across the country. Then you will hit next. And I've also been able to see and research some awful things or some negative things about tech, such as it can be very dangerous in the wrong hands, such as people being able to steal other people's identities. And then on your next slide, this is where you're giving a little bit more of your personal story. All right, so in my life, I've been able to use some tech in some really awesome ways, such as in the classroom in the Newsom Nest and then other classrooms as well, that we're able to do a lot more with our education and with our assignments. But I have also, unfortunately, been able to see some cyberbullying of my friends in a social media atmosphere. And then on your last slide, I just want you to mention the fact that you did research, and this is where all of your sources can be found. All right, so when I was working on this project, I was able to research and find all of my sources that are listed here. All right, y'all, that's about everything for me, Kian Downey, coming at you live from the Newsom Nest Project Lead the Way classroom. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I will catch you on the flip side. When you are done, you are going to hit this button right here that says Stop Sharing. All right, when that happens, you are going to be taken to this screen right here where you're going to be able to see your video, and you can either just share from there and download and export from there, or you can go into the editor. All right, so I'm going to do a separate video for that, so I will be right back.